Well, folks, how would you like to be in such a natural, beautiful site as this? An ancient rock which has been cut into a sort of canyon. Actually, a canyon. Well, we are opening this place as Osiris picnic site on the Osiris nature trails. Come for nature walk, come for hiking, come for rock climbing, even tree climbing if you like. But above all, just come for sightseeing. This is the longest elevation I've ever seen of a waterfall. Well, it doesn't just end here. It is still going down and down and down and down for 2 kilometers. Wow! Osiris Nature Trails has unlocked one of its secrets: the picnic site. And we are going to make it so good. Welcome to Osiris Nature Trails.